Nvidia has recently launched its new GeForce RTX 4060Ti graphics card, which is supposed to be the first desktop card to feature the AD106 GPU and the Ada Lovelace architecture. The card reportedly has 4,352 CUDA cores, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and a 160 WDDP1. It also supports new features like DLSS 3 frame generation, ray tracing, and AI acceleration for gaming and creative applications too. However, some reviewers and gamers are not impressed by the performance and value of the RTX 4060Ti. According to Tom's Hardware, the card barely outperforms the previous generation RTX 3060Ti at the same price point of $399, and is limited by the narrow 128-bit memory bus and the low VRAM capacity 3. The card also uses a mostly pointless 16-pin connector and adapter, which adds unnecessary complexity to the power supply 3. The RTX 4060Ti relies heavily on DLSS 3 frame generation to boost its frame rates, but this comes at the cost of increased latency and reduced image quality. DLSS 3 uses AI to create additional frames based on optical flow analysis, but it can introduce artifacts and blurriness in some scenes too. Moreover, not all games support DLSS 3, which means that the card may struggle to run some titles at high resolutions and settings. Nvidia plans to release a 16 GB version of the RTX 4060Ti in July for $499, which may address some of the VRAM concerns, but it will not improve the memory bandwidth or the native performance of the card too. The company will also launch the RTX 4060 in July for $299, which will have fewer CUDA cores, 3,584, and a lower DDP, 130W, but will still use the same 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and 128-bit bus too. The RTX 4060Ti may be a good choice for gamers who want to enjoy the benefits of DLSS 3 and ray tracing at 1080p, and who are not bothered by the latency and quality trade-offs. However, for those who are looking for more consistent and future-proof performance at higher resolutions, the RTX 4060Ti may be a disappointment. What do you think of this blog post? Do you agree or disagree with the opinion? Let me know in the comments below.